So we have the question, is the Ulta calendar better than the Sephora calendar? That's the question. Let's find out the answer. We have from Kopari a moisturizing cream. Oh, that's nice. From Peter Thomas Roth, we have the Water Drench Serum, and I've used this before. It's got Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. I've used this before, and I was very impressed. So I'm excited to see this. Even though it's kind of tiny, I am definitely excited to see this one. It looks good. It is good. This is from Hope in a jar. It is a moisturizer. Yes. Smooth Glow Multitasking Moisturizer with Pro Vitamin P. This is a brand I don't think I've heard of before. Perricone MD. And it is a cold plasma sub-D neck cream. This could be interesting. From Exuviance, we have an overnight cream. Overnight Transformation Complex. From Murad, or I've also heard this now recently pronounced Murad, we have a small trial product. This is the Retinol Resculpt Overnight Treatment. Just enough for about one use. Maybe more. Sometimes I find these little containers do contain more than you think they do. We have a Dermalogica product. Yes, and this is a daily microfoliant. I think that's what it says. Yep. Daily microfoliant. I've tried either this one or something from their line before, and it's a powder that you put in your hand and you add a little water, you make a little paste, and you put it on your face. It wasn't my favorite, but it wasn't my least favorite either. So we shall see with this one if it stays with us or if we pass it along. Because we have a lot of advent calendars this season, so we might be passing some things along. Yes. From Patchology, we have some under eye patches. This is the Flash Patch Rejuvenating Eye Gels. Oh, I want to try them. No, I want to try them. I want them. I want them. I want them. I want them. Oh boy, we're fighting over eye patches. This is not good. I'll be nice and let you have them. Okay, thank you. Something we were not expecting was self-tanning drops. Yes, now this is only half full, maybe? But then again, maybe it needs to be that way for transport so it doesn't ooze out all over the place. This is Tan Luxe The Face. So I think this is designed just for your face. From Liquid Glass, we have a hair sealant. I know I've tried this one before. It wasn't one of my favorites, so I think this might make its way into the Find a Future home box. And again, we are happy to share this holiday season. There will probably be giveaways again starting at the new year. So consider subscribing to the channel. You might win a giveaway. And you don't want to miss out on any of the fun adventures. We have an itty bitty perfume. Yes, and this one I can smell it through the box, so I think this is going to go into the Find a Future home box. This is called Vacation, and the company is Vacation, as near as I can tell. Something fun, though. So it is something fun in the box, as are many of these products. This is one that is definitely catching my attention. This is a green apple peel exfoliating mask from Juice Beauty. So I look forward to giving this one a try. We are halfway through this box. What's your favorite so far? Leave me a comment down below. I am nosy. I want to know more. Tell me more. Tell me everything. And consider subscribing. And don't forget the notification bell. And now, moving right along with this video, we have Peace Out Acne Dots with salicylic acid. Pleased to get these because even at my advanced age, I still get the occasional need for one of these, although I did notice one thing here on the back. Hurry up and use them because this package of 10 expires 3 of 2024. Gee, that doesn't give you much time. We got the Relief Aqua Balm sleeping mask. Yes, we did. But don't let the package fool you. There's not as much in there as it looks. But still, happy to get this in order to at least be able to try it. Supergoop sunscreen. Yes, with an SPF of 40. And although this is not a brand that I like, I will say I am pleased to see that a sunscreen is popping up in an advent calendar, because we all should be remembering to put on our sunscreen during the winter, even though I don't always remember. We have a neck cream from N1A114 or NIA114. It's hard to read the label here. This is the TL Advanced Tightening Neck Cream Plus. It's an itty-bitty little thing from Origins. I think it's for your neck or your face. This is the Plant-scription multi-powered youth serum. We have a product from CosRx. And this is apparently something with retinol, super vitamin E, firmness and smooth, youthful looking skin. This box has a lot of things for your skin in it. I would think self-care would be more than just your skin. That is part of the reason we did ask the question, is this better than Sephora? Comment down below, what do you think? Probiotics and superfoods from Tula. And this is a cleanser, I do believe I saw somewhere. Yes, face cleanser. So tiny, but then again, enough to try it, and you don't want to be using too much when you're trying something new because you don't want to irritate your skin. This is a Briogeo hair mask. And the timing on this is good because I'm running out of the one that I'm currently using. Now this, I'm looking at it in the ring light. It looks like it's full up to about there. But still, it's enough to give it another try if I want to try it again, or if we want to pass it along to someone else. But I do like this brand. Yes, it has been a good one. I even tried a little bit on my fur. This is a living proof dry shampoo. This I'm thinking is going to get probably passed along to someone just because I find, for me, living proof is overly perfumed, so I don't care for it. It aggravates my allergies. Yet I've also heard people say that it's a very good product, so I'm not knocking the product. It's just, for me, it's not a me product. we finally get to try an Olaplex product. Yes, of all the boxes that I've opened and advent calendars that we've done previously, I've never gotten an Olaplex product. This is number 3 Hair Perfector. Repairs and strengthens all hair types. Now the print on the back is itty bitty, so I'm not sure if this is a leave-in conditioner or a shampoo or what it is, but I will take a closer look and I'm going to get to try my first Olaplex product. I was very excited to see this item from Too Faced in here. This is the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. Oh goodness, she loves that thing. I don't like it. I am in love with this thing. It does have a zing or a tingle or a kick to it. I like the way it gives me a nice little bit of gloss and a nice little bit of plump without being excessive, even though it does say extreme. So I was very excited to see this item in here. And this is the clear. It does come, you can purchase it in other shades. I've tried many. I like the clear the best, but I'm not opposed to one of the colors. And last but not least, we have day 24, and this is actually the day 24. I saved that one for last. This is the Sunday Riley Good Jeans. Granted, again, a sample size, but always nice to get a little something from Sunday Riley. Would have been nice to have a bigger product, but it is what it is. So what do you think? Was this better than Sephora? And what do you like? Comment down below. In the nitty-gritty department, this was $60 with a value of $250. I think we came pretty close to that, even though the samples were small. Yeah, even though they were small, they were high-end, fancier names, a little more bougie. And when I did the girl math, I came up with $2.50 per day. So for the majority of those items, if I was asked, hey, would you pay $2.50 for this? I would probably say yes. There's a few I would have said no, yet $2.50, even though it was a sample size item, that's not a bad cost. Consider subscribing to our channel so you don't miss any more of the fun adventures. We hope to see you again in another video. Thanks for watching.